Hey, what's that? Cooper, what's that? Are we going fishing? Oh, that's right. Me and your dad are going fishing. Oh, you're gonna get in the pool? What you got in there, dude? Hey, Cooper, say bye-bye. Stealth mode. We're in stealth mode right now. Chasing the bass. We gotta be quiet. Because that's what you're supposed to do. What's up, folks? Welcome back to another fishing adventure. We are already on the water with my dude, my guy, Captain Travis. Huh? What is it? A weasel. A weasel. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a weasel in the tree. Alright, so as I was saying, welcome back. We're making it through the obstacle course. We got through the hard part. We're getting back to a very juicy spot. We've caught a lot of fish here before. Travis is now up front. Man, front trolling motor. So, we'll see you guys when we get out there and we're gonna catch some fish.
I've seen one or two of them. Is that a fish?
Dude, I think I got a fish. No, I think it's weeds. Oh, it's a big ass freaking stick. How embarrassing. Get him. Dude, put the hammer down. Got him?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh! Oh!
It's smallie.
Smallie. A little distance. How about that? Get him? Got him? Got him that time. That's the same one.
Snagging.
Sun's behind you. Oh, there he goes. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. He's about to release himself. Get that suit. Get that suit.
Yeah, boy.
You can smell him. Does he smell like a smallie?
Oh, smallerific.
Smallerific. Smell-o-vision. All right, man. You can't beat him. Join him, right? River Smallie. Ah, look at that thing. Ah. That's a really big fish. Oh no, that was the bottom. Woo! That was I thought that was a fish for a second, but I'm pretty sure it weighed the bottom. Throwing smoke, huh? Oh, dude, look at that! Look at, he doesn't have it in his mouth. He does not have the hook in his mouth. You see that?
Yeah.
And then he just bit my sinker.
That's funny.
That's so funny. Does not. It'll be like a
Oh, Jesus.
Nice, dude. Yeah, I'm just over here rambling on.
I'm just over here by
And homeboy,
bottom.
my guy, just reeling in fish, river smallies.
Text him.
Yeah. Dude, what's good? What's good though? Hey, hold on, man. Let's get a nice picture of
Thumbnail.
Oh. Get a nice picture. There you go. Nice picture of Travis with a fish. Get serious with it. Got him. Fish on. Yeah, baby. You know. Is it large? It's not even large. That's what I'm talking about, baby. On the board. Look at that. See the size of that thing? It's so big, I can't even fit the whole thing on camera. It's so big. Get out of here. Go tell your older brother. Trout slayers in town. Sure, I know what it is, but no, I can't get Dude, fish on. Fish on. Oh, there's more following it too. Get out there. Dude, on the banger too. Nice. Oh no. Oh no. Even worse. Ah. I was about to say on the, well, boat flipped him. You know, you saw it. It's 5 hours later, 6 hours later. We are getting back on the water, headed out for that evening bite. New spot, same river. Travis has been down here a few nights this week. He says the smallmouth bite is on fire. So we're gonna get back out there. Hopefully just crush some river smallies. Not looking for any good size. I mean, that'd be nice, but I'm looking for numbers and just to catch fish in general. So we'll see you out there. You on? Oh, you got a decent river smallie. Well, ain't no Lake Michigan, but you know. I need to get on you. Sorry, I'm trying to tie up.
I'll take what I can get around here. Oh, hey.
What is that? Let me see it.
Shrimp.
Oh, that's a crawdad. That is a freshly molted crawdad that he slurped up.
Is that what that is?
Dude, look at that.
That's
Dude,
pretty good.
That's a crawdad that had just molted. That's why it's so
good.
Yeah. Well, that's why it's so soft. That's cool. Good job, man. Got one?
Yeah.
I just had a hit on the tube. Yeah, dude, they're here. A little drag and drop. And murky minnow. Should be the juice. I hope so. Got a fish on. Oh no. Damn. Little 3D action there, dude. It hit right. I think it hit right on the lens. That didn't feel like a fish. That's why it was kind of throwing me off there.
Right. I look out and I see your line. It's like
Yeah.
straight out, and then I see the fish.
It just didn't, it felt like I was kind of like in the rocks or something. I don't know.
Cools off a bit. I'm sure we can size up the. Get him.
Oh yeah,
That's a biggie.
that's a biggie. That's a,
Oh, I thought it was a largemouth fish.
we call that a Coquille River. Oh, he choked it. Call that a Coquille River football, buddy. Oh, dude, he like
Smoked it.
oh,
huh?
he's bleeding bad, but we'll go ahead and keep this guy. It's okay to keep fish, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. You're back. You're part of it. So I'm next, so. It feels good to like, I mean, just crossing a new bait off your list. Are you? I am too.
Well, oh. I thought that was a largemouth bass.
Oh man.
Did you choke it too?
No. Oh, you thought the one I had earlier was a largemouth? Get out of there, you. Oh, get off my stuff, Holmes. Pachaw. Pachaw.
Right.
They don't really, they're not, oh, it's like right there. Oh, this is a better one than I just reeled in. Oh, there's so many following it. They're trying to eat my sinker.
What do you
Double hook setup.
Yeah. That one got the tail.
Oh, look at that. He's a domino. He's got a black spot on him. He got a strange marking on him. Ooh. Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, there's more. I'm gonna
I wasn't
get.
even trying.
Oh, you weren't?
No.
Well, I'm gonna get one.
I was untangling because it was wrapped around the tip.
Oh, I'm getting hit right now. I'm getting eaten alive. Look at that. I can see him. I know. I can see him coming in at it too. God, oh man. We need to get you a camera guy so he can watch you. Oh man, dude. I don't know don't know what to do. It's fun though. I mean, maybe that's why I think they. There it is. There he is.
Too, huh?
Little porky. There we go. First Ned fish ever on the Guggen Rattling Ned Canada craw, I believe. Little guy. He's a cute little guy. Goodbye, little guy. All right, back to it. I didn't even get a chance to get my camera turned on that one.
There was so many fish.
I know, I saw that. There's like, dude, there's,
Bottom.
it was like the water turned into fish.
It did. It was so thick you could have walked across it.
I know. I can see my thing down there. I can see it just sitting there. It just disappeared. Oh, that was a good one.
Was it?
Yeah, because I watched them come up. I watched my worm disappear, and I just set the hook. Not a good fish. I'm, you know, good.
Cinematics.
Good hook set. Well, guys, I think I'll catch another one. Oh, look, there's one on my line right now. Imagine, oh, he came off because I didn't set the hook. Gotta re-rig my, dude, I've caught like.
This is too much fun, Ryan. If there was any more fun, it'd be illegal.
I'm saying Guggen baits are only good for 3 fish and then they'll fall off. I've caught more than 3. In your face. Random guy on the internet, random Facebook, YouTube,
Watcher.
Instagram, I don't know. Fish number 8, that's all I know. Oh, dude, he's spitting stuff up. You got one? You doubled up again? Bye.
Might have been.
I'm just gonna go right back in my spot, catch another one. I just want a little message to everyone. If you think like, oh, this is a better one.
Oh, wow.
Is it?
Yeah.
I can't really see it. Oh, now I can. See, that's why I don't say bigger. I say better. Is this a better fish? Yes, it is. Oh, get your, dude. They're hooking. They're hooking like they're just hookers. Oh, this one's. Look at this. Look at his lip, dude. You think he's been caught a few times? Try my long arm technique. Look at that guy. He's going right for it. I can see my bait. It's disappearing. It's going the distance. I don't know where it went. Oh, no. I can't see anything. Oh, I got him. Oh, that was a good one too. Probably 8 or 9 pounder at least.
You should have grabbed it.
Yeah, I'm getting hit again. I got him though. This was his little brother. You know, it really says something about the quality of fishing you do when you don't even have to oh, they bit off the tail and I still caught a fish. This one's about had it, dude. I know, look at this thing, dude. Drag and drop is dragged. I'm about to retire it and put on a fresh lure. Still killing them, huh? They move. I think they're probably moving around instead of just hanging out like. Ooh. Yep, on the mic. Dude, anybody ever drop shot a Senko before? Because if you haven't, you're missing out, dog. Hey, you gotta have nice language on my channel, dude. I'll bleep it out. Little smallmouth.
That's why.
Oh, well, if he stabs you, I guess you can cuss at him.
I feel about that.
Or you want to like just straight up, did I? You want to just straight up tube jig it?
I think I'm just gonna straight up tube jig it.
I mean, I did the Ned one, so it can't be that much.
What,
You know,
Ned fish?
And I got one on a Ned, so it can't be your same style pretty much. You're just jigging it off the bottom.
Right.
See, there you go. See, if I set the hook, I can. Oh, dude! Oh my God!
Wow,
Did you see that?
big.
That was a good one. That was a good one. That was a 2-pounder, easily. I don't have time.
Bigger.
I'm going back down there for him, man. Is it that? It's not that 2-pounder though. Those are good fish. But dude, I'm getting a bite, and my pole's behind me. That's a good fish. Yo.
First tube fish.
I know. Good job, man. First tube fish.
What?
Ah, it's from one of those Deuce Bigelow movies. Oh, dude, he ran with it. Nice. Not very big, but he did run with it. And I got him, and now he's in the boat. Am I even on? Yeah, man. Did good little smallmouth. So for those of you at home, oh, dude, this is the one you just caught.
Is it really?
I don't know, but he's got a hole. For those of you who don't know, they call them smallmouth because they're so small.
Who'd have thunk?
Turkey vulture. But if you think about a river with fluctuating tides, and these fish haven't moved it in like a whole week.
Right.
That's a little bit bigger.
Better.
Coquille River football. Oh, you just fish slapped my GoPro. Just got fish slapped on the GoPro. ODF and W sees us. They're gonna kill us for turning these fish loose. I don't know if that's a mistake I'm willing to make. Just got hit. Oh yeah. Boom. Yeah, they are. It doesn't hurt though. Like when I go out, it doesn't hurt to throw what was working last time. Like it doesn't hurt to start there. But I guess that's the whole thing about don't rely on what used to work.
Right.
But I just use it as a starting point.
Right.
You have a fish on, you don't say.
Not here.
Not in this hole.
Son of a skit.
Just a little PSA. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but Great Lakes, Snake River, John Day River, Lake Michigan. If you guys think that's the smallmouth stuff, you obviously have never caught 1 inchers, 5 inchers on the Coquille River.
We're not talking 1 5-incher. We're talking
about 5 1 inchers. Oh man, he came out like bass mask. Oh, dude, look! Oh, he had him all tangled up. It looked funny. He was like a horizontal. Stop it. Oh right. Oh, he was headed. Well, again, folks, we're not catching monsters, but we're catching lots of fish, and it is fun. I feel like I haven't put the camera on Travis in a while. Wait, is he on him? Yeah, it's on him. It's shady as all get out because you're in the sun. No, he doesn't want to leave.
No, he didn't say.
Oh. I think the Dragon Drop's underproducing right now. Oh, there he is! There he is! Got him! Fish on! Oh, in my face! Oh, my goodness!
He's like, you did it in my face, put it in your face.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, Travis. I didn't mean to freak you out. Sorry I got so excited. I've been just waiting forever. I've been trying so hard to catch a fish on that lure. I know he's not a monster, but little
Banger fish.
little Guggen Baits banger and ghost gill. Dude, there's hardly any sparkles on this side, I'm realizing, and then there's like a ton on this side.
Huh.
Well, that's gonna do it for this video. It is the next morning. We fished until about 9:30, maybe a little bit later last night. It got dark. The GoPro wouldn't pick anything up. I mean, after the sun started going down, the top water bite was crazy. We were getting hits almost every cast, casting whopper ploppers. it was crazy. But we ended up getting home. I didn't get home back to my house about 11 o'clock last night, so I had a quick snack and then went to bed. What are you doing in there? Sneaking around. Sneaking around. Anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up because I like making it. So you probably like watching it. And then go ahead and subscribe so you keep up to date on all the cool stuff that I may post. And we'll see you in the next video.